Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can send HD picture on Messenger. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Messenger application on my mobile phone. Or if you don't have this Messenger application on your phone, you can go to your Facebook and then you can open up the Facebook direct messages. You just open up your Facebook and you can click on this direct messages icon to open up the Facebook Messenger. Wait. Okay, you can open up the direct messages right here. But I'm just going to open up the Messenger because I have installed this Messenger app on my phone. And then I'm going to show you how we can send HD picture to my friend on Messenger. I'm going to select this friend and I'm going to send it to this friend. If you want to send a picture or a video, we can click on this picture icon or this camera icon if you want to take new picture. And I'm just going to send a picture from my gallery. Here I'm just going to pick a random picture. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and if you want to send the photo as HD photo, you can click on edit. Okay, and you can simply activate the HD quality right here, and then the photo will be set as HD photo. Okay, you can click on the send button after you activated the HD quality. Okay, and now the picture has been sent with the HD quality. Okay, it's still sending, guys. Okay, you just need to wait until the process completed. If you want to send HD picture to your group chat, you just need to open up your group chat and then you can click on this picture icon and send a picture to your group chat. I'm gonna choose this one, for example. Go to edit and then activate the HD quality. And then you can simply click on the send button to send the HD picture to your friend. Okay, now the photo has been sent, as you can see, guys. And okay guys, that's all the way to send HD picture on Messenger. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video, guys.